guys, it's Ghost here. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Let's go. Oh no, the Ups came back for revenge. He's trying to get me, guys, help. Oh no. What is he doing now? Hey, it's the guy from the last video. Why did you try to attack me with a jet?
I'm sorry, let's work together and take him down.
Okay, let's do this. I'll help, bro.
Don't worry, I got this. This guy is crazy.
Where are you going?
We have to get out of here.
Wait, hold on. He's stuck, we have to help him.
I got this.
We did it. Look, guys, free candy. I love free candy.
I have more inside the truck.
Okay, let's go. Let me in the truck.
Haha, now you're being kidnapped.
Help, guys.
Now I will get my revenge, haha.
He came to save me. Nulu. Mission failed.